What's going on YouTube? Welcome in. Today, an absolutely beautiful build for you. Today we're building a 7900X3D. I think it's the first time we built it here on the channel. People have been asking us since, when are you going to build the Ryzen 9 12 core? And I'm like, well, it's actually a really valuable CPU, especially with the price it's priced at. We took this customer's build and we actually made it even better. They opted for 3 fans. We upgraded them to 7 fans. We upgraded the RAM on the system. We went overboard on it. It's an absolutely beautiful system, all put in the beautiful NZXT H7 flow. Hit that like button. Let us know what you think down below in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to catch us live on a raw like it is right now, as I butcher intros like these, you can join us any Monday, Wednesday, or Friday over our Twitch channel at twitch.tv/stints at 10 a.m. Eastern. And I hope to see you soon.
All right, let's get started. Good morning, guys. All the parts down here off the top. Go top down. Let's get started on the motherboard. Again, today we have the B650 Tomahawk, a tried and true. Honestly, probably one of the best motherboards you can buy for AM5 right now for the value and for the performance. We build with it a lot on the channel, and the reason why, it's just that good, all right? All right, guys, get this CPU out. All right, and we go with the 7900X3D. I'm so used to saying 7950X or the 7800X3D. 7900X3D. That's a Ryzen 9 today. 12 cores. Only 6 of those are V-cache, but that is still really good in a lot of today's games. Most games today are only using 6 cores. Some are bumping into the 8. This PC is definitely juiced. We also juiced it up a little bit too. We gave them a couple extra fans. We changed out the cooler to go with the aesthetic, so I get the same performance. Give them the RGB they wanted, because they had like SL fans, and then they had like Deepcool fans, and they had no rear fans. So I was like, let's give them a little bit, like we'll give them the LT cooler, save them $30, take that $30, put it towards RGB fans. We gave them like extra $120 in fans too. So I was like, you know what, let's go above and beyond for the customer. So 2 drives today, 2 KC3000 drives. What do you think about the CPU bending? The bending plates? Are you talking about like the bending plate? You're talking about the, oh my gosh, I can't think of the name of it right now. The bracket. I think they're okay. They're good on Intel. AMD's a little overkill. The contact frames, yes. I was trying to think. I had like literally a brain fart there for a second, Ray. Because we have Thermal Grizzly ones out here, and I have a Thermalright one out here. Unless you're going like really, you have like a really good bin skew of CPU. Like if you have a bin CPU, like a golden tier bin CPU, and then you want to go contact frame and you're trying to go for like 7800 RAM with like CL32 or CL34 timings, I think they're kind of overkill. Because realistically, the IMC on a lot of these CPUs can't even handle that. Even with the contact frame, you're getting very marginal better performance. Really comes down to the CPUs having just poor IMC. All right, we just talked about it a second ago. We get it all the time. I get questions in my DMs, in messages, on our Twitter, on our Facebook. What would you build right now as a system integrator, as a gamer, somebody who wants the best performance, bang for buck, bang for watt, bang for frame? This right here, 7900X3D paired with 6000 CL30 RAM, a 1 or 2 terabyte NVMe drive, a 850 watt ATX 3.0 power supply, and the 4070 Ti Super. 16 gigs of VRAM. It's going to handle everything from 1440p up to 4K gaming at a really good price point. You're going to have longevity with 16 gigs of VRAM. And it's going to play all of your games, Tarkov 100 plus FPS on streets, 200 FPS on customs. You're going to hit really good performance across a multitude of games, Warzone, Tarkov, Helldivers, anything you throw at it, it's going to eat it up and play with ease. Let's get a RAM in. 6000 CL30 RAM from Team Group today. The kits we always have in stock. This is one of our favorite kits right now. Just looks good, performs amazing, and with a lifetime warranty from Team Group to boot. All right, before we get the case out and start working on fans and getting our motherboard in, let's look at what we have today. I'm gonna put our other screws back in the motherboard box, which are gonna be our Intel and our factory brackets. We have the B650 Tomahawk down there on the table. We have a 7900X3D down in there. We have 6000 CL30 RAM. We have 2 1 terabytes coming in from Kingston and the KC3000 drive. We have our standoffs in place for the LT720. We're getting ready to take out the case. We're gonna slide this aside, get this beautiful H7 flow out, which is a standard H7 flow. No RGB, because we're gonna be adding the RGB today with the SL120 fans. It's gonna look absolutely stunning. Get a front look at this case. Again, the H7 flow, beautiful. Nothing crazy, just a really good, reliable case. Roll this case a lot. It's nice one. So actually, we built a little bit less with this case than we have lately, but it's still a phenomenal case. Get all of our panels off right now because we got a lot of work to do on this one today. A lot of RGB to install. Great modular case to work on. Say modular, it's very accessible to build in, get in, clean, everything. It's all opened up in about 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Stay orange, how are we doing today? We're gonna top down, get this motherboard in. We start working on our fans. There we go. Get this B650 Tomahawk down and in. In we go, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, there we go. Motherboard's all in. Let's get our fan holder out here, our front part of our case. So our front panel connections are gonna go in, and then we're gonna start working on the, okay, came all the way out. It's supposed to be self-retaining. All right, so our front panel connections in, Type-C, USB 3.0. PC, do you have like personal use? I have a 5000 X3 with 3080 Ti on 3600 CL14 Team BDI RAM. Or G-Skill RAM, I'm sorry. I have Team G-Skill. I have G-Skill, not Team. There we go, and the Type-C. Let's work on our rear fan, and then we're gonna work on our power supply, our front fans. Actually, we're gonna do our front fans before our rear fan, because we need the harness from in here. The adapters, we're not just doing one fan, we're doing 3, so we don't need this. I've always loved the way ESL looks in this case. It's kind of like this kind of shadow kind of vibe, really like, I don't know, it's like aggressive, but also like really like subtle on the RGB. I don't know, I really love it. Especially with the RAM choice today and the cooler, it's gonna look really, really slick. There we go, fans are all in there. Here we go, chat, beautiful SL fans. Let's get these in. One, 2, all right. So to our fans, next we're working on our power supply. There we go, chat, looking good. 850PXG today from Deepcool, phenomenal power supply. Really nice cables, good cable management. Go guys, let's get the cables we need today. CPU, we will need SATA today. Power the controller, second CPU, and our EPS. Where are you hiding, Mr. EPS? There it is. We need 5 cables today. 1 and 2 there. Second going in now. And last but not least, we're gonna get our EPS in. We're gonna pre-feed this cable down through. Easier for that now. There we go. And then work on getting this power supply in next. Chat, and this power supply all secured. Power supply is all secure. So working on our cables down here. And we go. 24-pin main motherboard. Go. That's in. And now we're onto the cooler, chat. Get our fans out. All right, let's get our screws in. All right, we spin this around, get the rear cable management view as we work on getting this cooler pump mounted. All right. Get these up and around, trying to hide the wires. So now we can work on our top of our mounting our AIO now. Okay. There we go. All right, 2 are in. Spin this around, you guys can see it a little better. That's rad. All right, we're about 5 minutes or so from here. Put the GPU in. All right, 4070 Ti Super Ventus OC. Fantastic card coming from MSI. There's the card chat, boom. 4070 Ti Super today. All right guys, in we go with the 4070 Ti Super today from MSI. 1, 2, 3, there it is, nice easy thunk. All right, we are about ready to boot it up, chat. We get some exclamation point lights up in chat. I'm just gonna connect the power cable and we'll get ready to get started. Get those lighted ups in chat. 12 volt high power down and in. Easy peasy. Put the wires in. Get these back panels on. Try to light it up. I thought I showed you the back when I was doing it all. That's heavy. There it is. There we go.
Guys, thanks for coming in and liking another video here on YouTube. Make sure you hit that like button, help us with the algorithm. Make sure people find us and see all the beautiful PCs we build. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button as well. Remember, we build these systems live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over on our Twitch channel at twitch.tv/stints. Come over, hang out, chat it up with us, watch us build beautiful PCs for everybody in the community. And remember, let's go.